Hi everybody, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and we have a fun kit for you today. It's our watermelon geranium swag. Look how cute that is with that little watermelon in there. It says happy summer. So this is just a fun thing that you can hang on your door if you're entertaining this summer and you want something fun to use, or you could put this on your mailbox, your door, anywhere that you need a little accessory. So as always, with our kit, you're going to get everything you need inside of your kit. We have this adorable geranium swag. And this is going to be really easy. What you want to do, as always, is go through and fluff up your stem. And these are nice because they're all wired, and you get this beautiful mixture of fern leaves and eucalyptus and your little geranium buds and everything here. So it'll just take you a few minutes, but just take the time to fluff it up all nice and pretty and bring that to life. And then next we are going to add in our pretty little yellow flowers here. So this is a cosmos stem, and I picked the yellow because it's nice and fun for summer. And we're going to go through and just cut these apart. So I'm just going to separate. You've got 4 stems on this main stem, and we're just going to separate those. We're going to go in and just use a little glue, and I'm just going to tuck this right up in here so we have a little bit of yellow hanging down. We're going to take a stem and put it up in here in the top. We just want to kind of spread that color around there. Going to add a little yellow over here. And again, I'm going to take my last stem and I'm just going to tuck it in over here in this area. So we have some really fun watermelon picks here. So these are nice. You're going to get your little curlies and your little glittery sprays to shoot off. It's just kind of fun and festive. I don't know about you, but I just love watermelon. I love it when watermelon season's here. So I'm just going to trim off a little bit of that stem and put a little glue on the bottom of this. And we're just going to go right in here and again, just kind of tuck that down in there. And again, these are movable because they're wired, so you can kind of shape them to go however you want. Next, we are going to take our ribbons. We've got this cute watermelon ribbon. So I like that little tail that sticks up at the top. So you're just going to leave about 4 or 5 inches. Pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. So next, I'm going to add on my black. This cute little polka dot here. Pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And then we'll have some nice little trailers. And then this cute little red Swiss dot, we're just going to put in there for a pop of color there. And then we're going to take our wire and just wire our bow right off. Got my wire tangled up here a little bit. Got this piece loose here. And we're going to wrap that right around our bow like so and twist that off in the back. And then we're going to take our bow and go right up in here and just wire that right in wherever you'd like. So I kind of went down a little bit. I'm going to go below that big flower that's up there, and we're just going to wire that right around the entire swag hanging piece and pull that nice and tight. And then trim off that excess wire, and we're going to use that wire in just a minute. So we're going to fluff this up. Important part, make sure you go back in there and trim those tails. You can always cut them at an angle, but I like to have those little V cuts. So you just fold them, let your wire edges touch, and we're just going to trim these all up. And you can let your ribbons hang down as long as you want or as short as you want. And I'm just going to cut that off. So really cute, nice. This is fun, festive, great for summer. And then last but not least, we have this really cute watermelon that says Happy Summer. So on this, I'm just going to remove the stem off of here. And it has that really cute little bow. And you can go back and kind of trim this because these ends tend to want to fray on this satin ribbon a little bit. So if you don't like those little frays, you can just kind of trim that. But there is a little wire at the top here that holds that little bow on. So I'm just going to take a piece of that leftover cloth covered wire and put it right through there just like that, so that I can come right in here and I am just going to wire my watermelon onto one of my stems that is sticking out. So we have our cute little big watermelon kind of hanging down here. And how fun and adorable is that? One more tail right there to trim. It's really fun for your summer get-togethers with your watermelon. So check this kit out at shopdeeslouisville.com. See you soon.